Hello, dear friend. We have reached the last part of this journey together. You have walked through many feelings. You have learned to accept yourself. You have learned to speak to yourself with kindness. Now, it is time to let light in. Light can mean many things. It can be hope. It can be joy. It can be love. It can be peace in your heart. Sometimes, when life feels heavy, we close the curtains in our mind. We tell ourselves, I don't want to feel. I don't want to try. We live in the shadows because it feels safer there. But the truth is, light is what helps us grow. Just like a seed needs sunlight to become a flower, your heart needs light to heal. So, how do we let light in? First, we open a small window in our thoughts. We let in one good thing at a time. Maybe it is the sound of a bird singing in the morning. Maybe it is a kind message from a friend. Maybe it is the feeling of soft blankets at night. When we notice these little lights, they start to grow. Our heart begins to feel warmer. Our mind begins to feel softer. Let light in by choosing thoughts that lift you up. Instead of thinking, everything is bad, try thinking, this moment is peaceful. Let light in by surrounding yourself with people who care. Even one kind person can remind you that the world has love in it. Let light in by giving yourself permission to feel happy, even if life is not perfect. Happiness does not need a perfect life. It needs an open heart. Close your eyes now. Take a slow, deep breath. Imagine a warm light above you. It shines gently, not too bright, like the morning sun. This light is safe. This light is kind. Let it touch your face, your shoulders, your chest. Let it reach the deepest part of you, the part that has been waiting to feel safe again. With every breath, let more light in. Let it replace the heavy shadows. Let it fill the empty spaces inside. You are ready for this light. You deserve this light. And when you wake tomorrow, remember that the light is still with you. It is in the way you speak to yourself. It is in the way you notice small joys. It is in the way you choose to keep going. Let light in and watch your heart bloom into something beautiful. Good night, my friend. Sleep well, and may your dreams be full of light.